Hey everyone, this is the first of my many SolidWorks tutorials that I'll be making. So this tutorial is on making a part. So to start off, you click new and double click part. And then we want to select extruded boss/base. Click on the top plane. And we want a center rectangle. We don't want a corner rectangle. We want a center. So you just drag that out to wherever you want. Then you click Smart Dimension, and you put it outside the shape. And mine's in millimeters right now. If yours is in inches, then you can just say 120 mm. So we want to smart dimension it to 120 on both sides. And after we're done with that, we do extruded boss base again. And this time we're going to extrude this to 30 millimeters. And we're done with that part. So next, we're going to be adding another extruded boss base. So click extruded boss base again, and under view orientation right here, click on normal 2. Actually, no, you click on the top, and you select this top face, select a circle, and again just drag it out to however much you want, since we're going to be smart dimensioning it. So smart dimension it to 60, I think. Yeah, smart dimension it to 70, sorry. 70. And click the check right here. So we're still using smart dimension, and so we select the top edge of the face and select the circle, and we want that to be 60, which it was already. So we're done with that step. And now we go on to the next step. So now we do exit sketch, and we go back to the trimetric view. So as you can see right here, we have an extruded object, and right now we want to do a boss extrude on this to 25 millimeters. We click the check. Alright, so we've done that. Now we want to cut a hole inside this object right here. So under features, you click extruded cut, select this face right here, and go to a top view. Sketch a circle and smart dimension it to 50 millimeters, obviously. And do exit sketch, and we want to click trimetric now, and under direction 1 in this cut extrude menu here, we want to select through all so that it'll cut through everything in the shape, and then click OK. And now we're on to the next step. Now we want to add fillets. So our fillets, we want a 5mm radius, so we select fillet, and then we, under fillet type, it's constant radius, you want 5mm right here. So 5mm, you want this face right here. Actually, sorry, we don't want that. We want our faces. We don't want faces right now. We want a 5mm fillet on this edge right here, this edge right here, 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 and we also want one on there. So that's our 5mm fillets. We also want another 5mm fillet around here. And we want a 1.5mm fillet right here, if I can get it. Yeah, right there. And then click OK. So now we want to shell the part. So what we do is we do rotate view, so right click, zoom, pan, rotate, and rotate view. So rotate it until you can see the back of the shape, like this. Then click rotate view again. So select this back face and click shell, and right here you click 2, and then click OK, and it just leaves out this object here. So we're done with that now. So you could also see by doing this. So you could create a section view and just drag it out like this. Just right now it's not very useful, but in some applications it would be. So now you could just click the X here, and so now we want to go back to a trimetric view if you aren't in that already. Now double click Boss Extrude 1 right here, and double click 30. So it should show up right here, and under this highlighted area, select press 50 and press the check. So just checking that it indeed is 50mm now. So we have that. Right, now it's 50. So now we want to modify the fillets, so you click on our fillet 1 and fillet 2 right here. So you'll just click on fillet, double click fillet 1 and right click, edit feature. So delete all the fillets, so edge 1, edge 2, edge 3, and edge 4. Delete the fillets there. Okay, and change the radius of the remaining fillets to 10 millimeters. So you have to do the same for the one on fillet. Actually, no, you don't have to do it for fillet 2. You want to remove fillet 2 and click yes. So now you want to click fillet again. So select the front face right here. And it'll show 10 millimeters right here. You want to change it to 5. And then drag or click OK. So drag the rollback bar right here below the shell 1 and then you can drag it back if you want. So there you have it, you've completed your model.